Well, got a new project. Got a had a tree over here, and it fell over. There's a big old hard oak, post oak, and the guys came out and chopped it up, took it away, and they filled some holes up here, and also removed some of the top of the tree to get some firewood and stuff for some burning. And they filled some holes out here, and there's ruts and stuff like that, and got some extra dirt here that they had left over. There was some spots in the yard I need to fill out, holes, and but there was some stuff here that's unlevel here too, and kind of clumpy and needs to be smoothing out, level back out again. And I was going, what can I use? And I'll have to build one. I used to have one at my old place, and a beam and a drag beam, and I was trying to figure out what I was going to use around here, and I don't have much without having to go buy something. And I drove past my trailer, and I was like, you know what, I've got a ramp here with expanded metal and stuff, and I can take that off and I can drag that, and I think that might work. And I'm going to use my Z mower to drag it, level out the dirt, give that a shot. Well, this is what I came up with. There's my gate off the trailer, expanded metal. Now I can flip it over and just use the bar on here. It's got a 2-inch L channel, and I can flip it over to cut. Right now I'm just trying the expanded metal. I went over just one or two passes, and it's already doing pretty good. See how that works. See, there's that. Over pretty good. Keep running over it, and it'll keep smoothing it out. Beats raking. Already looking a lot better. Gonna be rough to mow if I leave it that way. Good spot right here, lumpy. Here's some of the other stuff where the tree was. He dumped some dirt in the holes. It's pretty lumpy all through there, so I'll just keep going over it.